What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. So today, I came a little late, but today we are working on Felix's RSX again. He got, I believe, a new front lip and side skirts for the car. And he already started, but I was a little late because I had dinner with my family, so it's whatever. But I just wanted to, you know, throw out some content for you guys. And here it is. I don't know, I'm pretty sure these are reps, but it doesn't really matter because he's gonna be static, so all this shit's gonna get fucked up. So we put on the primer already on the side skirts and the front lip. And then he bought the OEM paint. Yeah, how much was that?
The paint, I bought 2 sets. It was like 60 something each.
Yeah, that's pretty good. Honestly, if you prep right, and do the right steps of wet sand after, you can honestly make a cheap paint job look pretty good. So we're just throwing it in. We're in, I think, the second coat right now. And there's little patches here and there, but then we're not spraying heavy yet. So
yeah.
That's what it looks like.
The sides is still the first coat. That's why it's hella like patchy. But the lip is second coat.
Yeah, the front lip is not too bad. It's getting there. So we're gonna keep you updated. Are we throwing them on today? Or what do you think?
Yeah.
So we're gonna throw them on today, and then hopefully make this RSX look a little more aggressive. This is like the most aggressive look you can find.
Yeah, pretty much. Or this is the one I like.
Aggressive front lip for my taste. I like it aggressive. For the IS, I'm gonna go with, I believe. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna wait off until that. I'm gonna tell you probably later what front lip, side skirts, and rear lip I'm gonna get for the IS, okay? Oh, here's a little update also on the M3. I forgot to film this, but this was a literally junkyard, fucked up M3. It needed a lot of love. You should have saw this car. It was a piece of shit, but now it doesn't look too bad. We washed it up. Alan helped put on the headlights. It's pretty good. A roll call from fucking Prince.
Take a razor in this
Yeah,
shit.
I'm gonna put his IG right here. If you want anything, follow him. Send him a DM. You know, let him know I sent you. But this is gonna be everything on my car.
What do you have so far?
So basically, I got aesthetics. So you know, that's our Groot, right?
Hell yeah.
Yeah, hell yeah.
Who's aesthetics?
We got M-Force because I got an M-Force tune, pop tune. And then
You don't got that.
And then this.
You don't have that.
This, yeah, this is coming next. I didn't want to let anyone know kind of what I'm getting next, but obviously you already know it's right here. And then Club Lexus is a huge part because they, you know, tell me everything. A lot of help from them. And then my car is obviously on 3P from Bags, you can tell. And then I go to this place called I think Spirited Motorsports, and it's called because their Logan is because Bags. I have VLAN headlights, taillights. I guess this is gonna be the body kit I'm getting right now. And then Eliminate and Status because I fuck with them heavy. Shout out to Status and Eliminate. Damn, William looking hella fresh, baby.
Thank you.
Ooh. He's not single. He's not single. Put in that work. Watch Calvin. Ooh, look at that fucking technique. Whoa, what the fuck?
Yeah.
Look at that, Felix, and look at Calvin's. Holy shit. There you go. Learn that technique.
I know. With the orange.
Damn, look at this baller, dude.
Baller?
Yeah.
You're a baller.
What you mean?
Aren't your wheels like 5K?
No, not yet.
I love your shop, bro.
Too bad you're not gonna work in it. Just kidding. I'm just kidding, baby. I love you.
Suck my ass.
Alright, so.
How much love you show Julie, how much love you need in this country?
You looking at porn? Can I see? Hey guys, what's up? So right now we're just gonna take off the front license plate because we really don't like the look of the front license plate. So we're just gonna take it out, you know, take this shit out and make it look a lot cleaner because, I don't know, me personally, I like a car without a front license plate. It looks way cooler. Nah, if anything, if you get pulled over.
Grimy.
Yeah,
Yeah, see this. This is what I'm trying to cover.
Yeah, he'll be fine. But wow, that looks way better already. RSX front end, way cleaner. Yeah, we just put that in your trunk just in case. So we just finished doing the primer, the actual paint, and then and then the clear. So we're gonna show you what it looks like right now. So here what it looks like. So it's pretty icy right now.
I'm saying there's 6 different colors.
I don't know if the camera picks it up, but it's pretty fucking good.
Yeah.
Woo.
No, I meant there's 6.
And then this is only the front lip. We have the side skirts. We have the side skirts in the back right now, so we're gonna just get this done, and then tomorrow we'll pick it up from there because Felix didn't get the right shit, so it's okay. We'll take another day, but it's alright. Peace. What's up, bro? What's up, my guy? Ready for today?
Huh?
You ready for today?
I guess so.
Alright, let's get it started. Alright, what's up guys? So today we are gonna finish up I think finishing up. What is it? Your
The arrow.
what is it? Your arrow. Oh yeah. So it's body kit. So we're gonna finish putting it on right now. Yeah. So we're gonna go to the car wash in Daly City. It's gonna be like a self car wash so that we don't scratch the paint or anything. We just made it to the car wash right now. Felix is gonna wash his car. It shouldn't take too long. I'll just give you maybe like little clips here and there. We are at a place in Daly City called, I believe, M&R. What is it called? Car wash?
M&R car wash.
Don't ever use this shit. It's gonna scratch your paint, right? Don't ever use this shit. What do you guys think about this car, the RSX? Yeah, we're probably gonna throw the front lip on and then the side skirts. Okay guys, so right now we just got back to the shop, Calvin's shop, and then here's the finished product. Not too bad actually. Oh, what's up, Ferris? Come on. Side skirts is gonna be 4 clips right here. So one right here, here, or yeah, 4. So I think Felix got Mugen style side skirts for the RSX, right?
Yeah.
And then right now Calvin's just test fitting them on, and then we're gonna put it back on. Now they're fake as hell.
They fake Mugen?
Yeah, they're fake.
Oh shit.
So yeah.
They're gonna get scratched up, so I want to buy real shit. They're gonna get fucked up.
So then right now we're just gonna screw the side skirt in, cause fuck it. Felix doesn't give a shit.
Hey, what do you mean? Turns out okay.
Yeah, looks good. So let me know down in the comments how you think we did with this. And then what do you think about the side skirts? Alright, so right now we're testing fitting the front lip and it looks pretty fucking aggressive. I really like this style. We just painted it, it looks really good.
It's just to hold it.
What do you think? It's good?
Pretty good.
Yeah, I really like this style. It's really aggressive. And then we're just gonna put the screws in and then 3M it maybe. And it should be done. Right now we're gonna drill in holes for the bottom lip so that we can zip tie it so that we can anchor it down so nothing gets messed up with this lip, because it kind of sticks out and pokes out, which is kind of bad. Because we don't want to be able to like scrape when we're going out or in driveways. So we're gonna just put hella zip ties on it, make it look good, make sure it doesn't scrape everywhere and it doesn't get messed up. All right. And then put the zip ties to hold it in place.
And just dud that shit through the bottom of your bumper.
Yeah. Shit. There we go. So that's how we're gonna hold up the bumper. Zip ties, carman's best friend. Car guy's best friend.
When in doubt, zip tie.
Yep, when in doubt, zip tie.
Hey, that shit works, man.
Yeah. Alright, so here we have the full body kit on. It looks fucking good. Like, that's pretty aggressive, even though it's a rep. So that's gonna be it for today's video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Alright, peace.